Today we will learn to use as because as is used a lot in English. Moreover, there are many who cannot use as well. After today, it will not be wrong to use as. Moreover, you can use as very well in spoken English. I can't run as fast as you. I can't run as fast as you. She works as a waitress. She works as a waitress. You can go fast as you are the oldest. You can go fast as you are the oldest. Do as you like. Do as you like. I am busy as a bee. I am busy as a bee. I am as tall as Tom. I am as tall as Tom. Eat as much as you like. Eat as much as you like. As you know already. As you know already. As you know well. As you know well. As you know. As you know. As you like. As you like. As you say. As you say. Do as I say. Do as I say. Do as you are told. Do as you are told. He acted as my guide. He acted as my guide. He acted as a principal. He acted as a principal. He came late as usual. He came late as usual. I am as busy as ever. I am as busy as ever. I am as strong as you. I am as strong as you. I am as tall as you. I am as tall as you. I am here as a friend. I am here as a friend. I like you as a friend. I like you as a friend. I said that as a joke. I said that as a joke. I will do as you advise. I will do as you advise. I will do as you say. I will do as you say. I work as a doctor. I work as a doctor. I work as a salesman. I work as a salesman. It is as easy as that. It is as easy as that. It's as cold as ice. It's as cold as ice. It's better as it is. It's better as it is. Let him do as he likes. Let him do as he likes. She acted as a teacher. She acted as a teacher. She is as busy as ever. She is as busy as ever. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.